Hi everyone, it's been a year since I installed the Tuya Smart Door Lock, and for today I'm gonna do a hard reset for the interest of those who are having problems on setting up the passcode, changing the language, or enabling and disabling the passage mode. I'll also show you how to change the battery and use the manual key to open the door, and I will also be showing you some of the tips and the tricks that I learned also from other users. To do a hard reset of your door, you just have to open the cover, and you can see a small hole here. Just press it for 5 seconds. Initialize successfully. So once you hear the word initialize successfully, you can set up your door. After the hard reset, you need to set up an admin account. So just press asterisk, then the hash. So for the admin information, if you will be using the door for the first time, you just to key in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and the hash.
Press 1 for admin setting. Press 2 for user setting. Press 3 for system setting. Press 4 to factory state.
So you add the admin
Press 1
information.
to add admin. Press 2 to delete admin. Press 3 for network.
So I'll be adding a new admin. I'm gonna delete the default one.
Enter admin information. Please enter again. Please enter again. Please enter again. 001. Successful. Enter.
So I was able to set the admin account. All I need to do is press the asterisk hash. Then I will be adding the keycard. So asterisk hash.
Enter admin information. Press 1 for admin setting. Press 2 for user setting. Press 1 to add user. Press 2. Enter unlock information. 0.
So the IC card has been added. So let me try unlocking the door using the IC card.
Unlocked. Locked.
If by default the language is set to Chinese, all you need to do is touch the asterisk or press the asterisk pound, then you have to use your fingerprint if that is used to register or that is used as the admin. Then you just have to press this certain number. So let me do this for you. So I just have to press again asterisk.
请输入管理员信息。管理员设置，请按1；用户设置，请按2；系统设置，请按3；恢复出厂设置，请按4。
So the first button, number 1 is actually the admin. Number 2 is the user setting. Number 3 is the system. So you have to press number 3.
语音设置，请按1；开口模式，请按2；语言选择，请按3；时间设置，请按4。
So in the sub menu, 1 is actually for the voice, but unfortunately you cannot disable the speaker. For number 2, you can unlock, and for number 3, that's for the language setting. So in order to do that, you have to choose number 3, then you press number 2 because that's for English. Okay, let me do it again. Asterisk,
请输入管理员信息。
hash,
管理员设置，请按1；
press number 3.
语音设置，请按1；开口模式，请按2；语言选择，请按
Then
3；
press number 3 again.
中文，请按1；英文。
So again, number 1 is for Chinese and number 2 is for English.
Successful. Press 1 for voice setting. Press 2 for unlock mode. Press 3 for language setting. Press 4 for time setting. Press exit setting.
So remember, this Tuya Smart Door Lock is set to automatically lock 5 seconds after initiating the unlock sequence. Like this one. if you want to disable the lock and if you want to activate the free passage mode, all you need to do is touch the fingerprint panel if you are the admin. Then you have to press 5 then hash. Now the auto lock feature is disabled. Anyone can get inside the house without having to use the fingerprint, the passcode, or the mechanical key. This is actually a good way to save battery, especially if you feel secure in your home and you don't have any problem with intruders. In order to activate the auto lock feature, all you need to do is touch the panel, or probably you can use the card, the IC card, and it will automatically revert back to its default, which is automatically locking your door, like this one. Alright, so it's now activated, and you have to use your log information like your fingerprint or IC card or the passcode. It's set to lock automatically. To replace the battery, all you need to do is press the top cover, then you have to raise it up. So if you can see it, there are 4 AAA battery that I'm using, and I'm using the rechargeable ones. But if you really want to save your battery, you can disable your lock and enable the free passage mode every morning, and just activate the lock, the automatic lock, when you are out of the house and nobody is in your house. Let me just pull out the battery. In my experience, I was able to replace this only once, because again I am disabling the lock every morning and enabling the automatic lock during nighttime, or when nobody is inside the house. Alright, let me just put the battery in the compartment. In my experience, I was able to replace my Energizer battery after maybe 13 months. Okay, so if you heard the lock, the clicking sound, means to say that the lock is activated, or the auto lock is activated. Even when the deadbolt button is enabled, you can still open the door as long as you have the mechanical key with you. So let's try it. So I raised the deadbolt button, so meaning to say that the key card as well as the temporary passcode cannot be used. So in order to unlock the door, if you have the mechanical key, just insert this one, then you turn it to the right and you can open the door. You can also use the mechanical key in an event that your lock ran out of battery and you just forgot to replace it. If you want to learn more about the Tuya Smart Door Lock, like how to set up the app in your mobile phone, please check my other videos here, and if you have questions or suggestions, feel free to write in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you got something today, and see you in the next one.